Hello mga kadoodles at offloader. So thank you very much. So here we are again. We'll be doing a review of Nasdaq and New York Stock Exchange stock top gainers with target price. So thank you very much to our viewers and subscribers. Welcome back. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. It is a free subscribe, no payment involved. Please bear with me. I'm not a financial advisor and also with my English. So now let's start with Nasdaq EHTH. So EHTH is having a free float of 25 million, and before in our video we see that in this area that he will try to go up high, but unfortunately it didn't. But still we are watching for EHTH. If he will break this $2, so that means it is a good entry to buy EHTH. Now EHTH is trading at 1.87. He is trying to break this one, but unfortunately there are a lot of seller in this area. If you notice, it happens already 3 times this price resist. So let us check on the 30 minutes time frame. So now there might be a chance also this EHTH will liquidate this area because of there are buy order. So but if we see here, EHTH is doing all lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So there might be a chance it will create another higher high. So if he will not liquidate this 1.75, so we'll see. We have to watch. So for me, I think it's better to wait for the $2 to be break before entering EHTH. So that is EHTH. Be careful. This is just only a educational purposes, not an advice to buy and sell whatever you are holding. So next is PFEI. So Pinnacle Food Group. So $3. So I think we have a videos before that it will go up, then pull back and go up. So our target price here is still the same as $6 based on our previous video. So P5, where's P5? P5 somewhere here. We have here here $6. That is 3 weeks already, almost 1 month. So $3, $6, sorry, $6. Now P5 is trading $4. So we'll see if he will break this $4 here. This one he should break, then there is a chance of going up. Let us check. Unfortunately, it is not a good candle, body of candle. So I don't know when this P5 will reach to 6, but still we are hoping this will reach to 6. So because here in a long term there is you see this one, that is a trend line. It happens 2 times already. So 6 is somewhere almost, yeah, that is $6. So yeah, we will see when this will hit to that price. We don't know, but if you're holding, this would be okay for me since it is having on its trend line. So that is PFEI. So next is Design. So Design now is pumping up at 15.3. So Design, it look like to me is doing a cap. So to complete the cap like that, so he should reach to, he should hit $26 to hit that cap. Then our target price for this one, for long term, it will be this one, so at 40. So there might be, once reaching to 25, there might be a consolidation and forming a handle before moving up. So that is our long-term target price for design. So how much free float for design? Design revenue, nothing, not good, bad, 36. So careful. There are a lot of employee. 30 biotechnology, 124, but headquarter, but why there is no revenue? So just be careful with this kind of stock. But to me, there is a chance also it will move up or complete the what happened. So 16 is the target price of TradingView. So it is already almost hit. We are now at 15. So but it look like it will complete the cap pattern. Then there might be a chance of handle. So that is our core design. Next we have CLVT. So CLVT, let us remove those drawings, so to be clear. So CLVT is, there is a what you call what we can create. I think this is forming like, this is what he is trying to see. So, and there is in a pattern. So we will see. Hopefully it will not do like this and liquidate this one. So we have to be watchful for this CLVT. But we have this area here. There is a sell order block that need to be liquidated. So there is a chance that it will reach to $4. So let us check on the small time frame. So yeah, so look like he will break this one. Once he break, there is a chance of going up, but there is also a chance it will pull back because of this trend line. You see this trend line? So there is, every time he touches this area, there is a pullback happens, like this one and this one also. So if he will try to break this one and also this one, that $3, so there is a possibility of going up. But if not, it will resist. There is a chance of moving back, pull back, back. So because there is a sell order block in this area, this one, we have a sell order block. If this seller here will hold, so there is a chance it will move up the price to 3 or 4 even, maybe. So that is LBT. Next is BBY. So BBY, we see here the target price. So it already, BBY $6, our target price. It was already hit. Then it make a pullback, and so we'll remove this one. So what next for BBY? So BBY is having a free float of, it has removed those drawings, so that Okay, it is very clear for us. So there is a resistance here in this area, and there is another here also, which need to be break in order for BBY to move up. So let us go to the small time frame. So there is a lot of sell order here. So seller. So if we see here 1 hour, so let us check the Fibonacci. So it is already reached to 78. So there is a chance this will move up to liquidate this area, this price here. So from here, we might be seeing next week or this week, but maybe we'll see what this price will do. So, but he need to break first this one, this $5, then the other one, because there is an imbalance in this area. This yellow one is an imbalance, so there is a possibility it will do like this. So we will see if it will make new target price for 9. With what is the target price for TradingView? Since it is already 9, there is still a 9 target price from TradingView. So 17. So we will see for this BBY if there is a chance to move up again. So here there was, when it moved to 7, there's a lot of seller happened. That's why this price was dropped. So next is LBRT. So LBRT, as well, like what we said before, it might pull back before going up or direct up. So let us remove this one. So it is to be, so it will clear. So now LBRT already broke this line. So and this will be now our support. So now trading at 34 with a low volume, only 2.2 million, which is free float of 158. So LBRT target price is how much? I think we have done video before LBRT. So our target price, do not see anymore. This is New York Stock NYSE 40. Here is LBRT $40. Yeah, because it is already, so $40 our target price. So this line, blue line, why we have 40? So I think this is already the all-time high. So maybe he will create another all-time high. So there is a possibility of moving to 40. So this is just our own prediction. So let us check if there is no other here. So this is the all-time high now for LBRT. LBRT is having dividends. So we will see if this LBRT will continue up or it might be pulled back, but it should support this 32 move. So still, so what is the target price of TradingView? Let's compare. There's no target price. Forecast is 32, 40 is the target price. Then we have 21, so 40. So yeah, that is why we have this 40. So, but how he did this 40? This is just all-time high, new. So that is for today, LBRT. So congrats, or good luck to all of us. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and please like and share if you like our videos. Please comment if anything need to be adjust. Okay, that's all for tonight, folks, and God bless us all. Adios, mi amigos, mi amigas, babus.